Hello everybody, we're back for part 2 of this 250k pack opening on the hunt for Stanley Cup Edition Patrick Kane. If you guys have seen his stats, you understand why we are blowing all our money on it, and we just pulled Patrice Bergeron and Martin St. Louis, pretty damn decent. That'll keep us going for a little bit longer.
Yay.
He's a little fed up with these packs lately. I don't blame him. I am too, but you know what? We got this. We're gonna pull that fucking Kane. And
What if we don't pull that fucking Kane?
What do you mean, what if?
What if we don't?
There is no what if.
There is a what if.
If we don't, then we quit.
We're not quitting. There's no quitting. Oh, you mean the game or?
Yeah, I mean the game.
Yeah, whatever. You're gone. It's my team now. Fuck you.
No.
I do all the work on it anyway.
No.
Fucking whore.
Zindergen, Goldbekicken, and Bartikau.
Fuck.
Quick selling that shit, making our money.
Get money.
Sorry for moving so much, guys, but I've been holding this thing up for like quite a while now. And now we're under 100k. And still I've not pulled nothing but a Patrice Bergeron, sorry. Oh no.
I'm getting in your hole.
My pocket.
I'm doing it. Not good luck. Fuck you.
Fuck. Nothing, boys. Nothing again.
Horse cock.
You buy so many packs, and at some point you figure that they're gonna have to give it to you. Like it just has to happen. Exactly. There's no way that they can take it away. It's almost illegal, it feels like. Yet they still don't give it to you.
It's kind of dumb.
And they leave you with this empty feeling. And it can mess up a kid's life, you know.
It's a video game.
Yeah, I know it is. But when you see bullshit like this come out of a card,
Card?
whatever, I can't even think right now, man. I just want my Patrick Queen.
What?
Get them all. Good shit, armpit.
Horse cock. We're almost done with the fucking pack.
This was crazy, not as exciting as I thought.
No. No.
I thought we were going to be freaking out, running around the block, mowing lawns.
You're mowing lawns. I'm not mowing your grandma's lawn.
You're mowing my grandma's lawn.
You're mowing your grandma's lawn.
We're going to double team my grandma's lawn.
I'm going to double team your grandma while you're mowing her lawn.
Who's going to be with you?
Bill.
Bill.
Hey, Patrick.
Oh my god! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh fucking yes!
Definitely
Woo!
double teaming your grandma.
We're double teaming the fuck out of my grandma.
Fucking Patrick.
Oh lord!
Do you see this?
Okay, zoom it in there.
Get right in that bitch.
Oh, 292k.
You know
99 overall Patrick Wall.
You know it.
You see that shit? Oh, we
So
did it.
good.
We pulled something.
You
Okay.
had it.
Woo! I can't woo worth of fucking shit.
Do you receive?
What?
Oh, I don't know. Don't ask me.
Ooh.
I do not receive.
Oh my
I guess
god,
we just
boys.
keep going.
I guess we're gonna have another pack coming soon. A pack
We're
opening
going for
coming
that
soon.
Kane.
We're fucking hamming this. Yeah,
We're gonna
word.
sell that, and we're going ham on more packs.
Oh my god. I just
I'm
came
so
up-
glad we got it on video this time. Too.
Yeah, I know.
Thank God.
Oh my god.
I'm pumped.
We were
Patrick
so
Waugh.
sad.
I've always wanted to try it out. We almost killed ourselves.
Do you want to try them out? Or you
No,
wanna
our
just-
goalies are crazy.
Yeah, I agree. The shutout sisters shall stay.
You're a dick, Patrick. Or no.
Who opened that?
I don't know. We just kept opening and opening, so I don't really.
Sorry about that, fellas. I had a clog in my throat. Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
We need to talk about double teaming your grandma more often.
Oh, yeah. I think that's just a very popular subject for you.
Me and Bill. Poor Bill.
You and Bill. Oh my! You guys don't know why that's funny, but it's funny. Thinking of Bill and him double teaming my mother or grandmother. It's like, damn.
Bill's a good guy.
I'm jealous.
Bill's a good guy.
Bill is. He's like a really nice guy. He's a little off, but he's
okay.
he has good intentions, right? Yeah.
How much time we got left here?
We still got another 6 minutes, basically.
Oh, sweet.
Or 4 minutes, sorry.
Come on, let's go for it hard.
First
cock.
Cock.
Cock and knocking, you heard him.
Did you hear me? Seals! Need that shit. Spitfire.
We have way too many variations.
I'm fine with it.
Me
That's
too.
like...
Probably
if we got
have like
5
30
variations, we have
variations.
like...
I can't believe we pulled Patrick Waugh. Like,
Out of all the cards to pull as well, yeah.
I know, it's just weird.
Patrick Waugh.
99 overall Patrick. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'll take it.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyways, this is the last pack for now, and then we'll come back.
Yep. And
Come
we
on,
pulled
end her off
a...
strong.
Oh,
We pulled a horse cock.
I thought I seen Johnny T, but it's just Hammonick.
We might scavenge another pack. I don't know.
Well, with all those variations we will, but it'll take too long to scavenge. They don't want to see that.
We'll see.
So we'll just...
We'll see what we have here real quick, just for a second.
You mean like an 875?
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Might go rip up one of them.
Yeah,
Yep.
we'll rip one open.
See how they go. Here
Nothing.
comes Taylor Hall.
It's just nothing.
Never mind. It's the handcuffs.
Yeah, I like handcuffs. Patrick Waugh, I can't get that out of my head. That's a nice, but we might try him out. I mean, 0 games played. I like to get him. Actually, we are gonna.
Tyler Bozak.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks for watching.
Yep, we'll be back soon enough with another big, huge trade or
Probably another
pack
$250
Yeah.
pack opening.
Because after that pull, we're ready to
Go ham.
go big or go home. You know, we're getting that Patrick Kane.
Beautiful.
Nobody else has pulled it yet, so we're gonna be the ones to do it. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Peace.